Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmatuni Ayah, as a lecturer of research methodology, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Pratiwi from the Diplomat Accounting Study Program, and this is the opportunity I would like to present my final project proposal with the title is Analysis of Production Cost Calculation using Process Costing Method in CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or Wood Industry in Temanggung Regency. The topic of the presentation today is divided into three parts. Part 1, Introduction. Part 2, Literature Review. And Part 3, Research Method. And I will start this presentation by explaining the background of the final project proposal. Technological advance marked by the Industrial Revolution 4.0 have provided many changes for businessmen and made it easier for business development. Resulting in fierce competition, this requires each company to be able to carry out the right strategies and policies so that they can compete with competitors. One of the important strategies that must be considered by the company is determining the selling prices of the product. One of the things that consumers usually pay attention when they buy an item is the price of the product. The price is the measure to be able to know how much the value of goods and services. The price also determines the success and failure of goods and service will be sold in the market. The correct selling price of the product can be obtained from an accurate calculation of the cost of production. If the company can calculate the cost of production correctly, they can determine the selling price of the product correctly too, so that the profit and loss can be known more accurately. In here, CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or Wood Industry in determining the cost of production only follows the estimate or change in prevailing market prices. So this study aims to calculate the cost of production of CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or Wood Industry accurately. And then I will explain about statement of problem. Based on this background, determining the right selling price can make the company earn the appropriate profit. If in calculating the cost of production, the company only uses market prices, there may be an inaccuracy in determining the cost of production and may also result in loss. With this in mind, the problem that we'll discuss in this research is, first, how are the results of calculating the cost of production using the process costing method and CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or Wood Industry in December 2021? Second, how are the results of comparison of the cost of production calculated by CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or Wood Industry with the cost of production using the process costing method in December 2021? And I will explain about the research aim and benefit. The first is objective of the research. Based on the statement of the problem, the objectives to be achieved from the preparation of this research are A. To calculate the cost of production at CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri using the process costing method in December 2021. B. To compare the calculation of the cost of production calculated by CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri with the calculation of the cost of goods manufactured in December 2021. And then, I will explain about benefit of the research. This research has several benefits, both theoretically and practically for participants related to the research. The benefits are A. This research is expected to add reference or knowledge about information related to the process costing method in the next research. B. This research is useful to increase knowledge and experience regarding to the calculation of the costs of production using process costing method, especially at CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or wood industry. C. The results of this study are expected to be taken into consideration in determining the costs of production and product selling prices for CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or wood industry. And then, literature review. The literature review are divided into 5 parts. First, definition of price. Second, definition of cost. Third, cost classifications. Fourth, definition costs of production. 5. Definition of process costing method. Definition of price. Cutler and Armstrong in 2004, column 439 say that the price is the amount of money charged for a product or service, or the amount of value that consumer exchange for the benefits of having or using the product or services. Definition of costs. According to Muliati, in 2040, column 8, costs are objects that are recorded, classified, summarized, and presented by cost accounting. In a broad sense, costs are sacrifice of economic resources, measured in units of money that have occurred or are likely to occur for a certain purpose. And then cost classification. Here the classification of costs according to the object of expenditure. A. Raw materials cost represent costs used for materials that can be easily and directly identified with finished goods. B. Direct labor costs represent costs for labor directly handles the production process or can be directly related to the finished goods. And C. Overhead costs represent factory costs other than direct materials and labor costs. And then classification of costs according to the main function in the company. A. Production costs represent all costs associated with the production function or activities of processing raw materials into finished product. Production costs can be classified into raw material costs, direct labor costs, and overhead costs. B. Marketing costs represent costs incurred to carry out product marketing activities. And C. Administration and general costs represent the costs to coordinate the activity of production and marketing of the product. And then I will explain about definition cost of production. The cost of production is the total sacrifice of economic resources to process raw materials into finished product, so that it can be used to calculate the cost of finished product and the cost of goods sold at the end of the period that is still in process. Then, process costing method. Process costing method is a method of collecting the costs of production in which the costs are collected for each process or service contract separately. And each process or good service contract can be identified separately. At the cost of the process, the cost of goods collected for each process in accordance with the costs enjoyed by each process. The total cost of production of each process will be calculated when the process is complete. And then, I will explain about research method. First, data collection method. The data collection methods used in the preparation of this final project are: first, interview. The interview method carry out the direct interviews with the head of the general section or the head of other section or a number of personnel in CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri. B. Documentation. The method of data collection is by recording data regarding production costs, production results, and other data related to the cost of production. C. Literature study. This literature study method is intended to find theories that discuss the problem of the cost of production and the selling price of the product. The sources come from books, literature, and other relevant materials. And the next is data analysis method. The data analysis method used in this research is quantitative data analysis. Quantitative data analysis is a data measured on a numerical scale. Quantitative analysis is carried out by calculating of the cost of production with the following description. A. Analyze the data that has been obtained from CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri Temanggung Regency and allocate costs appropriately, namely by classifying production costs or non-production costs. B. Perform the calculation of the cost of goods by calculating the raw materials used, labor costs, and other costs for work related to the production. B. Calculating the difference between the cost of goods manufactured between companies with the calculation according to the cost of the process. D. Analyze the accuracy of company policies in determining the selling price. And then writing method. A. Method description. The intended description method is to provide an explanation of the general description about CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or wood industry, the organizational structure, as well as the duties and responsible of each existing position. B. Exposition method. In this final project, the exposition method is used to explain the calculation of the cost of production at CV Cipta Usaha Mandiri or wood industry. I would like to thank you for taking time to listen my presentation. I'd apologize if there is a mistake. Goodbye!